Reviving your eBay account, suspension resolution and negative feedback removal. Welcome troubled eBay sellers. Are you experiencing an eBay suspension or negative feedback that's affecting your business? Don't worry, we've got the perfect solution for you. Suspensions can happen to anyone, even the best of us. Your selling privileges may be temporarily or indefinitely restricted, but don't lose hope. It's possible to get back on track, and we're here to help. Negative feedback can be a bane. It affects your reputation, credibility, and eventually your sales. However, even the worst feedback can be addressed and turned around. We specialize in just that. We provide a comprehensive service to fix your eBay suspension and remove negative feedback. Our team of experts thoroughly understand eBay's policies, ensuring that we adhere to them while serving you. Our process is simple, effective, and completely legal. We'll first analyze your case, identify the root cause of the suspension or negative feedback, and then devise a tailored strategy to fix it. Did you know that eBay allows sellers to make appeals? Yes, you heard it right. If your account has been suspended, we'll craft a compelling appeal that highlights your commitment to rectify the issues. Negative feedback removal can be complex, but not when you're with us. We'll communicate directly with the buyers, listen to their grievances, and negotiate a resolution that leads to feedback retraction. We believe in transparency. We'll keep you updated every step of the way, providing detailed reports on our progress. You'll know exactly where your case stands and how we're moving forward. Our strategy doesn't stop at reinstating your account. We aim to prevent future suspensions. We'll provide actionable tips and guidance on how to operate within eBay's guidelines and maintain a positive seller reputation. Your success is our success. We've worked with numerous sellers, reinstating their accounts and improving their feedback scores. Their trust and positive endorsements are a testament to our service quality. So, let's get your eBay business back to where it deserves to be. With us by your side, suspensions and negative feedback will be a thing of the past. Thank you for considering us as your solution. We look forward to restoring your business to its full potential and helping you flourish on eBay. Don't hesitate, reach out to us today. Be addressed and turned around. We specialize in just that. We provide a comprehensive service to fix your eBay suspension and remove negative feedback. Our